at all when the rest of me is down.